Hello, I am Anastasia Ida. On this occasion, I will discuss about the introduction of numbers. In this lesson, I use a tool in the form of a flannel board, then an ice cream stick.
Papan ini menggunakan kain flanel, kemudian benda nyatanya berupa stick es krim.
Beside that, I also made number card made of square thick cardboard as the base. Then I use buttons of two colors, blue buttons and red buttons.
Sebagai alasnya, kemudian menggunakan kancing-kancing dengan dua warna, kancing berwarna biru dan kancing berwarna merah.
The blue button shows the number indicator, then the red button shows the number symbol.
Kancing berwarna merah menunjukkan lambang bilangannya.
On the card, I'm using the numbers in Braille. Also wrote the numbers in the upper left corner for sighted students. So students who are sighted can find out what numbers are on the card.
Dapat mengetahui bilangan yang ada di sini itu bilangan berapa.
In the upper right corner, we cut a little to show the position of the number card when used.
Posisi kartu bilangan.
Before starting the lesson, we ask blind students to orientate the tools we use.
Alat-alat yang kita gunakan.
First, during the orientation of the ice cream sticks, we must ensure that there are no sharp parts that might injure blind students.
Pada saat orientasi stick es krim, harus kita pastikan tidak ada bagian yang tajam sehingga akan dapat melukai siswa.
Beside that, blind students are also asked to orientate the number cards that we have so that they could easily understand them.
Supaya mereka nanti mudah memahaminya.
I will move the numbered cards to my left so that they will make learning easier later. Our first lesson is to recognize the symbols and names of numbers.
Pembelajaran kita yang pertama adalah mengenal lambang dan nama bilangan. Kita gunakan stick es krim.
In learning the concept of numbers, we give real objects to blind students. The real objects we use here are ice cream sticks. After students have touched real objects, they are introduced to the symbol and the name of the number.
Maka bisa kita
First of all, we give an ice cream stick. We convey to the student this is ice cream stick is alone. There is no friend. Because students don't know yet the symbol for number 1 and don't know yet that this is 1, we can say that it is alone. We show the number 1 symbol using the number card that we have made. As previously stated that the number indicator use blue buttons and red buttons to show the number. This is the symbol for number 1. The name for the number is 1. Then we take 2 ice cream sticks. Now the sticks are not alone anymore. They have friends. Now this is the symbol for number 2 as on the card. We call the name 2. Then I added another ice cream stick. Now there are 3 sticks. The number symbol is 3. The number name is 3.
kita sebut dengan 3. Kemudian selanjutnya
Next, we add one more ice cream stick. It means there are 4 ice cream sticks. The symbol for the number is 4 and we call the number is 4.
sebut namanya 4. Kemudian
Then we add one more ice cream stick. That means there are 5 ice cream sticks. The number symbol is 5 and the number's name is 5.
namanya 5. Kemudian kita tambahkan
Then we add one more ice cream stick to make 6 ice cream sticks. The number symbol is 6. We call the name 6.
kita sebut namanya 6. Kita tambahkan
We
satu
add one more ice cream sticks to make 7 ice cream sticks. The number symbol is 7 and the name is 7.
seperti ini. Namanya 7. Kita
We add another ice cream stick to 8. The number symbol is 8. We call it 8.
8. Kita sebut dengan nama 8.
Then we add one more ice cream stick to make 9 ice cream sticks. The symbol for the number is 9. We call it by the name of the number 9.
Ini kita sebut dengan nama bilangannya 9. Baik.
Now we have learned about number recognition, number symbols, and number names. Now let's learn about odd and even numbers. What are odd and even numbers?
Saya akan menyusun angka angka-angka ini berdasarkan urutannya.
First, I will arrange these numbers in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
On this ice cream stick, I also put adhesive on the back so that the number cards don't move around and make it easier for blind students to orientate them.
Sebenarnya, saya juga meletakkan perekat di sini supaya angkanya tidak bergerak-gerak. Nah, ini bisa kita letakkan jadi mempermudah biar anak nanti pada saat mengorientasinya tidak ada gerakannya.
What's an even number? Even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2 or multiples of 2. So which of the numbers on this table is a multiple of 2, namely the number whose ice cream stick has a partner, is called an even number.
Yang stick es krimnya punya pasangan, ya, itu adalah bilangan genap. Baik, kita mulai dari angka 1.
We start with number 1. The number 1 has one ice cream stick. It means there is no pair of sticks, so 1 is not an even number.
Bukan bilangan genap.
Then the number 2 of the ice cream stick is 2, meaning these ice cream sticks are in pairs, so 2 is an even number.
Maka 2 adalah bilangan genap.
Then 3 ice cream sticks, 1 paired ice cream sticks, and 1 remaining unpaired ice cream stick. It means 3 is not an even number.
Berarti sticknya tidak berpasangan semua, maka 3 bukan bilangan genap.
Likewise with 4, we observe that there are 4 ice cream sticks. It means there are 2 pairs. Here it means that 4 is an even number, and so on.
Bilangan genap. Begitu seterusnya. Nah, dari pengamatan angka 1
From observing the numbers 1 to the number 9, which one is an even number? Number 2, number 4, number 6, and number 8.
4, bilangan 6, bilangan 8. Sisanya itu adalah bilangan
The remainder are odd numbers, namely number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7, and number 9.
Bilangan 7 dan bilangan 9. Bilangan-bilangan yang mempunyai angka
Numbers that have units digits 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8 are odd numbers, while numbers that have units digits 2, 4, 6, and 8, and one more, 0, are even numbers.
6 dan 8 serta satu lagi 0 itu adalah bilangan-bilangan genap. Contohnya tadi,
For example, the number 12, it has the units digit is 2, so the number 12 is an even number.
maka angka 12 ini adalah bilangan genap.
Next, the number 24 has the unit digit is 4, so the number 24 is an even number.
4, maka bilangan 24 adalah bilangan genap.
The next example again, 43, the units digit is 3. Then the number 43 is an odd number. You can all try with other numbers to determine whether a number is odd or even.
Coba dengan bilangan-bilangan lain untuk menentukan apakah suatu bilangan itu.
Thus, our learning this time hopefully useful. Thank you.
Demikian pembelajaran kita kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih.